Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquin. Today I will discuss another video on Python language. Right? Python is a versatile and widely used interpreted language. Okay? Python allows two primary modes of operation. One is interactive mode and another is script mode. Okay? Interactive mode allows command by command style of programming, whereas script mode allows executing a set of instructions written in Python file, right? So today we'll discuss these two different modes which is present in Python language elaborately through proper example. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through Python IDE, I will discuss these two different modes separately. So let's dive in. So, what is the difference between interactive mode and scripting mode? Python is a versatile and widely used programming language, offers two primary modes of operation. One is interactive mode and another is script mode, right? Each mode serves a unique purpose, catering to different needs of programmers, right? Interactive mode allows for a more exploratory command by command style of programming, whereas script mode is geared towards executing a set of instructions written in a Python file, means .py file, right? Now, what is interactive mode in Python? Interactive mode, often referred to as the Python REPL, full form is read, eval, print, loop, right? Is a mode where Python executes commands sequentially and immediately returns the results, right? This mode is akin to having a conversation with Python where you type a command and Python responds immediately, right? This immediate feedback loop is what makes interactive mode particularly useful for learning, experimenting and debugging. Okay? When you start Python in interactive mode, you are greeted by the Python prompt, usually denoted by triple greater than sign. Okay? Here you can type any valid Python statement and receive an immediate response, right? This mode is excellent for testing small code snippets, doing quick calculations or exploring Python's features, right? Now, what are the limitations of interactive mode? While interactive mode is excellent for learning and experimentation, it has its limitations. First one is non-persistence, means commands executed in interactive mode are not saved. Okay? Once the session is closed, the code and its results are lost because it's totally temporary. Okay? Second point, not suitable for large programs. Writing long and complex programs is impractical in this mode due to its line by line execution nature. Okay? And number 3, limited debugging and testing. Although useful for immediate results, interactive mode is not ideal for debugging and testing complete application. Okay? So this is the screen which provides the interactive mode in Python, right? And we get this screen through Python IDE, okay, where this triple greater than sign is there. So this screen is for interactive mode. Okay. Now talk about the script mode in Python. Script mode in Python refers to executing a written script, a file containing Python code, typically with a .py extension. Okay. This mode is used for running complete programs. In script mode, the entire script is executed as a whole, making it suitable for developing applications, okay, automating tasks and running complex algorithms. In this mode, the programmer writes the entire code in a file and then runs the file using the Python interpreter, because Python is an interpreted language. Okay. Unlike interactive mode where the feedback is immediate, in script mode the output is displayed after the entire script is executed. And script mode is actually the permanent mode because the file is already saved in your secondary device, right? Now, what are the limitations of script mode? Script mode also has its drawbacks. First one, no immediate feedback. Unlike interactive mode, you cannot get immediate results for each line of code. Okay, more setup required. Writing and testing a script requires a test editor and sometimes more setup compared to the simplicity of the interactive mode. Okay, and the third point, less suitable for experimentation. It is less convenient for quick experimental changes compared to the immediate feedback loop of interactive mode. So this is the screen for script mode in Python language. Okay. Now we are compared these two modes using a table with its feature. So first feature is that execution style. In case of interactive mode is a line by line. Okay. And in script mode, whole script at once. Okay. Second feature, use case. In case of interactive mode is an experimentation, learning and debugging, whereas scripting mode is concerned running complete programs, application development. Okay. Feedback. In case of interactive mode, immediate for each line, but in case of script mode, after entire script execution. Okay. Next feature, code persistence. Interactive mode, no, means commands are not saved, but in case of script mode, yes, code is written in files in form of .py file. Okay. Suitability for large programs, interactive mode not suitable, script mode suitable. Debugging and testing for interactive mode limited, but in case of script mode it is extensive, right? So this is the screen Python IDLE, which is integrated development learning environment, and this screen is actually the interactive mode. Why? Because this 3 greater than sign is given. So this is a command by command style of programming. How? Suppose we write here print within double quote, suppose write technical arcon bracket close and press enter. So we got the result immediately. Suppose we write here a equal to 10 and just write print a, and we got the result of value a 10 here. So this is the interactive mode where it is a not persistent, means it's a temporary, and we got the result immediately and it executes line by line or command by command using this interactive mode. We got the result through this interactive mode, command by command style of programming. Okay. Now you go for the scripting mode, how to write the program. So in that case we go to the file and just click on new file, and this window we can write the program here, and this is the script, and should save the file, any name of the file, then put .py, because Python file saved in the extension format .py. Suppose we write same thing, print within double quote, suppose write technical arcon, then we initialize a variable a equal to 10 and then suppose print simple a. Same thing which already done in an interactive mode, just write in a set of statements or set of instruction within a file, and then go to the file and choose save option. Save it. Suppose we write here ex56.py, we put the name ex56.py and press enter. So just see the file is saved and give the name here ex56.py, and if we run this code, just press from the keyboard F5. So we got the result here, technical arcon and 10 from here. So this is your scripting mode where we write set of instruction here and we got the result within this particular interactive mode part. I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is very simple. What is interactive mode and what is script mode in Python. If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts or any queries, just write in the comment section of this video. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcon for more topics will come in my channel. So keep watching Technical Arcoin. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.